The research took us 6 years. There are over 20 people involved from 7 academic institutions. I am very happy that finally we got it published in the Journal of Additive Manufacturing. It was the spark that started our research on ultrasonic atomization. The spark that started AMAZEMET in the end. The paper is a guideline on how we could control crystallization within the whole material, how we could control overheating, but also how we can control phase changes within heat-affected zone. Initially, we developed a 2-stage strategy to design not only the geometry but also microstructure of the material, and later a post-processing, high-pressure isostatic pressing to densify the material itself. In the paper you can see very unique microstructures. We can see that with a single track we can actually paint where is crystalline and where is amorphous phase. We can design not only the geometry of the part but also microstructure in the very same way. If you would like to ask questions about this paper, if you would like to start collaborations on this topic, we are present at AAMS conference this month and also at EuropeM. You're very welcome to have a discussion during those events. Thank you.